my dear friends, fragrance lovers. Namaste. Welcome to Raj Reviews, the channel where we will showcase the legacy of Indian incense. Special thanks to all of you for your great motivation and support. I am quite sure that you will have a scintillating journey with these exclusive, honest reviews. Hello, my dear friends. Happy Navratri to all. Thanks for tuning into Raj Reviews. There are queens, there are kings, and there are emperors. In this episode, I will unbox the most coveted, the most mimicked, a timeless Kohinoor of Agarbatti from India. It's Sugandha Shringar, also popularly known as SS or Mysore Shringar or Shringar. This extraordinary brand is owned by Aravinda Parimala Works, Mysore. Sugandha in Sanskrit is fragrance and Shringar is the first rasa or expression in Navarasas. Perfectly, this gem of a product was sanctified as Sugandha Shringar by the creators. Aravinda Parimala Works was formally registered in circa 1925, one of the oldest companies in India, and this brand, Sugandha Shringar, was launched in the year 1960. So this is a 70-year-old, long-standing super brand. This product finds market pan-India and has loyal buyers from almost all the importers around the world. Shringar had many product variants, but as on date, they have SS Supreme, SS Gold, and SS Scented in box and pouch formats. Today's unboxing is very significant as all of you will witness the original, authentic product sourced straight from the manufacturer. I have the pleasure to unbox the best variant, the premium variety Sugandha Shringar Supreme. Check the outer box. The outer is huge, bulky, and distinct. It's a 3-ply white carton. All the design texts are printed in plain pink color. The front has a flowery pattern, borders at the ends. In the center, you can notice the logo with letters APW, which stands for Aravinda Parimala Works. The name of the product, Sugandha Shringar, against a pink handmade design stands out. The variant, Supreme, is clearly mentioned. The backside has the company trademark and product name in Hindi and Kannada languages. On one side, the manufacturer's address, wholesale pack details are printed. This pack has 20 retail units with 50 grams each, priced at maximum retail price of rupees 2000. That's 1 kilo of incense sticks. On the other side of the outer, the variant name Supreme in 3 Indian languages and a logo of SS is visible. Made in India with Swan logo is printed on two sides of the outer. Overall, the outer has all the logos, details, but in simple, plain format. This outer carries a clean, singular, appealing, distinct smell. The box opens from the top. Inside, there are 20 vertically placed retail units. A strong whiff surrounds you as soon as you open the outer. The first impression of the retail box is classy, orthodox, and antique. It's full with multicolors, unique fonts, and creative artistry. Whole box has a floral border at both edges. Check the distinct red, green, blue or RGB logo APW at the left. The company name in Kannada speaks the indispensable Mysore connection. The name Sugandha Shringar at the center with unique font style is unchanged and gives a vintage feeling. The word Supreme is embossed in gold and adds value to the packing. The green, blue, and matte gold color combination makes this a eye-catchy blend of modern and retro styles. The backside has that unmissable logo or trademark of a swan for purity, lotus for its sacredness, and sun for its omnipresence. Product name in Hindi and Kannada at the center, inside an eye-shaped border, gives the box a unique identity. On one of the sides, the product variant Supreme is printed in three Indian languages. On the other side, company details, product details, and SKU barcode are printed in simple, plain fonts. This variant sells at 100 rupees for 50 grams of fine incense sticks. That's 2000 rupees per kilo at MRP. Both the flaps carry the swan trademark within Made in India phrase. The same iconic smell persists throughout the box. The thick GSM white pack box board gives this 9.5-inch box all the strength. Before checking the sticks, let me show you the original boxes of other two popular variants which I procured for the benefit of viewers. The 11-inch long box Sugandha Shringar Gold in matte pack sells at 100 rupees for 100 grams. The 11-inch long classic variant, the copyrighted, registered, SS scented, another matte pack, sells at 60 rupees for 100 grams. All the boxes have their own styles, embossed wordings, placement of trademarks, and all create a unique identity. let me open the Supreme box. The inner silver foil 9.5 inch long cover is sealed and quite thick to protect the sticks. In spite of sealing, the cover itself smells, indicating the power of the incense blend. As soon as you cut open the cover, an amazing smell hits your nose. It's as though the fragrance was waiting to escape and kindle your senses. Inside, there are around 40 to 45 8-inch medium thick, genuinely hand rolled masala scented incense sticks. The off black colored sticks are rolled on round bamboo with bright rhodamine colored holding part. The top note is instant, exciting and alluring, strong and appealing. This gives a complete luxury feeling. This authentic traditional note falls into a wholesome oriental, animalic, spicy, smoky, perfect masala category. One should smell to feel this unique, unforgettable top note. On lighting, you can notice voluminous, fascinating, one of its kind fragrance emanating all over. The classic blend of floral, earthy, woody, herbal, heavy note has superb lift and excellent lingering. This is fragrance of all times and can never go out of fashion. With 40 to 50 minutes of burning time, definitely this is really a great traditional product of India. SS portrays creators' mastery and skill of producing traditional, quality, unique, memorable incense product. Friends, that was Sugandha Shringar Supreme. With glorious history and enviable accolades, the super brand from India to world. Thanks for watching and hope all of you enjoyed the unboxing and the insights. Please stay connected with us. In coming episodes, I will try to get some more exotic and fantastic products. Together, let's showcase great incense products from India. Take care. Have a great day. Jai Hind.